Hello everybody, my name's DoomslayerX, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be playing Subway Surfers for the second time on this channel. A lot has happened since the last one. Oh yeah, right now, as I'm recording this, I have no internet. So, certain things I just can't do. And pretty much some stuff has happened since the last time. I got a new high score. Well, obviously, when I recorded last, it was like a month ago. You know, it's like different. Like, there's just a lot. So, yeah, my high score is that. For me, that's pretty impressive, but it's still not a million. Darn, I was adjusting the volume. So I'm turning down the volume because I've realized in my past videos that, well, the audio, the game audio is super loud and you can't hear my voice. So this is what I'm gonna be doing right now. Oh yeah, thank you guys for supporting the art video so much. Oh my god, my back itched. Yeah, I don't really want to make excuses, but my back itched. So I had to, it's confusing. I do have the leaf board. But thank you guys so much for nearly 50 views on my art video, and I think the highest amount of the video watched. Thank you so much for that. I appreciate it. Especially as a smaller creator. And thank you in general for 15 subs. That's still not my goal. My goal right now is 20 subs, so 5 more subscribers. I need to make a YouTube show on this. 5 more subscribers is all I need to hit a goal. And then you guys can ask for me to play a game or something. After 20 subs, it's 50 subs, then like 100 subs, so on, so on. But as of recording, it's like 10 at night right now. Yeah, you guys can't see it, but there's a button, pretty much there's something in the side of my phone that pretty much tells me how long I've been recording. If I tap it, it stops recording. Pretty helpful how I record all my videos. It's literally just built in with the phone, which is helpful. Oh yeah, rate my skills out of 10 in the comments below, please. Because I don't really think I'm the best. Like honestly, I don't really think I'm the best. Ooh, perfect dodge! Imagine if that was the actual thing is always those perfect dodge. You like to dodge a train, but you won't freaking die. Oh yeah, I forgot to in one of my last videos, my journey video. Damn. Shout out to my boy Seth Hamilton. He's the one that he's one of the people that watches my videos and supports them. Even though he can't, like, press the like or subscribe button because he's a guest on his TV. Still, he's the one that gave me the idea, and he's definitely gonna give me more ideas in the future. There's not a doubt in my mind. Because they live across the street from me, so they can just go over to me and like, hey, I like your new video, but like, can you do this next? I know you have it. I've seen you play it on your phone. And I'm sorry I can't upload like 15+ minute videos. But I'm working with what I have, and I think I'm doing okay. So yeah, rate my skills in the comment below. Oh, that's reminding me of like that rather older trendy rate my fit. I remember seeing a Minecraft video of it, rate my fit. Also, can one of you guys tell me how to see my total view count? Like, I told some of my, like, friends that I was gonna hit 1,000 views on my channel, but I realized that was, like, just for the past 28 days. I said that, like, maybe a few weeks ago, but now I'm racking in, like, thousands of views. Which is actually, like, incredible. Oh, I couldn't see that because of all the glowing. Ah, screw it. Why not? This is nothing close to my high score. Okay, once I get moderately fast, and I die, I'm... Bruh. Nice. Cool. So something I learned with the Chromebook, like on a laptop, how to do like a trick to do. Basically, as you go like up and as you jump, but there's like a thing that you want to get on the ground like right below you. All you have to do is just jump and then... Most of you probably already knew that, but I think it's cool. And I do it literally all the time. Doves have time. And I'm also extremely grateful and surprised genuinely on 2 videos I did in a day. 2 videos I did in a day. The ranking Minecraft mobs and ranking Disney movies. Well, not Disney movies, Pixar movies. Minecraft mobs doesn't have that many views, which I was surprised about. Pixar movie has, last I checked, 45 views. How? Heck, somebody even commented on it. Comments are so cool. I think I have like 40 comments on my channel. Oh yeah, also please comment. Comments are cool. I like seeing your guys' opinion. I like seeing people talk in general. I mean, one of the first times I got a comment, like a genuine comment, it was a rude comment. But you know what? Rude comments are what people give humanity. Yeah, rude comments give people humanity. They show the people what's good and what's bad. And doing certain things is bad. So pretty much getting a, hey, you're not doing that right, or hey, I don't think this is very good, or like, hey, I don't like this topic, it's like racial or whatnot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. Well, damn, god damn. Last round. Let's do this, buddy boy. I used to have so many of those. Woo. How about something in the comments if you're watching this far, and if you are watching this far, oh my god, you are a real one. You are that guy. Or that gal. That's weird. I just saw a train go through another train. I don't think these. Oh, ow, ow.
What are you doing?
I don't think these trains are very well. I think these trains are possessed. These trains are not. These trains are not doing good. They're going through each other. I promise. I'm not on crack cocaine, Jerry, I promise. Oh! If you tell me about a board, I'm gonna strangle you. I really do not care. I could care so much less. Actually, no, it goes, I could care so much. I don't know how it goes. I'm liking this one because he's just goated. Daily gift? That's so Rizzy. Oh yeah, I already have Tricky, whatever her name is. Oh, I'm so stupid. I might be able to buy something. Oh, I only have like 4,000, that's not a lot. Make him buy a few of those. It's not really worth it though. Damn. Guess I gotta abduct a child. Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you watched up to this point, you're the real one. You're that guy. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.